Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. The problem number 125. How to solve this problem using AutoCAD by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as draw the projections of a circular plate of negligible thickness of 50 mm diameter resting on HP on a point A on the circumference, which is plane inclined at 45 degrees to HP, and the top view of the diameter passing through the resting point makes 60 degrees with VP. So to do that, so this will going to be the final solution. So to do this problem, so first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, then zoom all, then go to line, select some arbitrary point, take the distance as 297, and you take the cursor to the top side and enter the distance as 210, and you take the cursor to the left side and type 297, then close it. Then go to zoom, extend, zoom 0.7x. Now you just go to layer, so click on the new layer, type the layer by name XY, click on new, type the layer by name front view, and click on new, type the layer by name top view, and then enter. So line weight of layer 0, which contains projector lines, will be 0.05. Layer XY will going to have 0.13, that is the XY line. The front view, all the front view lines will be of 0.5. So you go to take 0.5, and all the top view lines will going to be of again 0.5. So then go to top view color, which is magenta, and the front view color, which will going to be blue, and say close it. So once you do that, now we will go for circle of diameter 50. So go to circle, take the diameter as 50, then enter it. Then you just go to move, select this and move it here. Then go to PD mode. So go to PD mode, take the value as 3, then go to divide this circle into 12 equal points. So take 12. So now you just go to line and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take node of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to node, take node of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Similarly node, take node of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to node, take a line, then go to line, take node of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this, and fillet between these two. Then go to erase this entire points and remove from the selection that circle, and so you remove this. Then go to zoom window, then go to break, you select this line, go to layer, make that layer as front view, then you select this, you go to layer, make that layer as top view. So then go to break this line first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then go to mirror, select this and you mirror this, go to nearest point on this and take it on this. So your plane wave display, you will going to get it as zoom previous. So once you do that, then we go to copy the first front view position to the second and then rotate by an angle of 45 degrees. So to do that, then just go to copy, select this entire window and copy this to this position, and then you rotate that by an angle of 45 degrees. So then go to rotate, select this entire thing, then go to end point, so and 45 degrees. Then go to line, take end point of this, and then go to line, take end point of this, then go to line, take end point of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim between these two. This is the cutting edge. So then go to line, take end point of this, then go to line, take end point of this line, end point of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to line, take end point of this and take end point of this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Then go to line, take end point of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Then just go to zoom window, then go to ellipse, go to center point, take center, take int of this, take intersection point of this and then take intersection point of this. Then just go to select, go to layer, make this layer as top view. Now you know to break this, so you just break first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, int of this and say @ then you take this bottom first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, take int of this and say @ then you take vertical now. First point, take int of this and say then break first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, take int of this and say @ then break first point, take int of this and say @. Now once you do that, so now we have the line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and similarly from here you draw this on this side. Now we need to copy this, which is at the top view of the diameter passing through the resting point makes 60 degree with VP. So to do that, so you just copy this entire thing here. The top view of this diameter makes an angle of 60 degrees. So since you need to do at 60 degrees, so this should be rotated by an angle of 60 degrees. So then just go to rotate, select this and take this and you rotate by -60, so that you will going to get in this position. So then just go to move previous, so select this and remove this and you keep it wherever you want. Then go to auto on. So the top view of this, so this is the point what you will going to get, and this you keep on adding that. So to do that, then go to line, take int of this, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this, and which is those two lines? Those two lines will be here. So you take this int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then just go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line, which is those two lines. Now these two lines will be here. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, then just go to line, take int of this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. So this is how we are just constructing the points, that is the projections of points, how we can be able to project to the next position. So then int of this and take perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then go to fillet between these two. So it has to be completed, and then only each line has to be projected separately, and then after the completion of one, then you need to go to the next position. So this is how when you do it, then the probability of committing a mistake will going to be reduced. So then again go to line, take int of this, and then just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to int of this, draw perpendicular to this line. Once you do that, then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Now we need to go for int of this. So you join all these points by means of a line command. So you take int. Similarly, you take int of this and 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 take intersection of this and take int 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 of this and say close. Next you go to pedit, select this as the entity, then join. So select this entire thing by window, then you just go to fit curve, select this and you just say fit curve. So this is how you will be able to get this drawing. So now you just select this and go to layer, make that layer as front view. So once you do that, then go to zoom previous, then go to break this line till here. So you select this line and you select this line, go to layer, make that layer as XY. So since the length is more, you just go to break and break this. Now we go for DDIM, then go to modify. So the primary units precision, you make it 0. Then go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, center becomes above. Take the offset from the dimension line as 3 and arrow size as 3. Then go to lines, offset from the origin as 3. Say OK and say close. Then go to zoom window. Then you just go to dim. So take int of this and take intersection point of this. So here you keep it as the text. So take percentage C50 diameter symbol for percentage C. Then go to angular, select between these two. So this angle is 45. Then go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you are going to get it as 60 degrees. Then go to dim TED. So select this 45 degrees and you keep it here. Then you select this 60 degrees and you keep it here. Now once you do that, now we will go for the text. So you just click on this, take the height as 3 and rotation angle as 0. So you mark this as XY and you mark this as VP and this as HP. So here you put small a, D, G and here K. So here you mark it as A dash, here you mark it as G dash, here you mark it as G dash, and here you mark it as K dash. So once you do that, then go to move, switch on the ortho mode, you take X and you take VP and you take HP. So here A, here it is D, here it is G, here it is K, here it is A dash, here it is D dash, here it is K dash, here it is G dash. So you just click on this, then go to layer, make that layer as front view. So you just go to HP, A, D and K and here it is G, then go to layer, make that layer as top view. So once you do that, so then you copy this and you make this here. So to do that, just go to copy. So take A dash and copy it here and take D dash and copy this here and K dash you copy this here and G dash you copy this here. Similarly, you copy this A here and that A will come here and then D, that D will come here. So that D will come here you copy G, that G will come here, so that G will go here, and you copy K, that K will come here, so that K will come here. So once you do that, then just go to D dash, and mark this as A dash, and this as G dash, this as G dash, and this as K dash. So once you do that, then just go to move. So you move this D dash here, you move this A dash here, and this K dash here, and this G dash here. Now you just select this D dash, A dash, and K dash, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. You move this entire thing and place it wherever you want. So then just go to zoom window and bring it near to the screen. So this is how you will be able to complete it, this drawing completed by using AutoCAD software. So this is your final solution. Thank you.